Welcome to 2 Minutes of Global Market Pulse. Here are today's top overnight financial headlines. The yield on the 10-year United States Treasury note rose to 4.27% on Tuesday, up from a two-month low of 4.19% earlier in the session. This move comes amid fiscally dovish policy and fresh data that have strengthened the case against a rate cut by the Federal Open Market Committee this month. The Senate has approved President Trump's tax bill, which is projected to create a budget deficit of $3.3 trillion over the next decade. The bill now awaits approval from the House, consolidating concerns about unsustainable debt in the United States. Meanwhile, the Job Openings and Labor Turnover Survey indicated that job openings in the United States rose by 374,000 to 7.769 million in May 2025. This is the highest level since November 2024 and well above market expectations of 7.3 million. The largest gains were seen in accommodation and food services, which added 314,000 openings, followed by finance and insurance with an increase of 91,000. Sri Lanka's current account surplus widened to $938 million in the first quarter of 2025, reaching a record high and up from $728 million a year earlier. Elon Musk has resumed his campaign against the reconciliation bill, vowing to start a third party and launch primary campaigns against Republicans who vote for it. Tesla shares are down by 5% after Donald Trump accused Musk of benefiting excessively from electric vehicle subsidies, suggesting the Department of Government Efficiency should investigate his companies. The United States Senate voted 99-1 to remove the artificial intelligence state regulation moratorium from the reconciliation bill, adopting Senator Blackburn's amendment. President Trump's top trade officials are scaling back their ambitions for comprehensive reciprocal deals with foreign countries. They are now seeking narrower, phased agreements to avert the looming reimposition of United States tariffs, racing to find agreements by the July 9th deadline. A private gauge of China's manufacturing activity bounced back into expansionary territory in June, as a temporary trade truce between Beijing and Washington eased some pressures on Chinese factories. The Caixin Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index rose to 50.4 in June, from 48.3 in May. United Kingdom house prices fell the most in more than 2 years in June, according to Nationwide, as an increase in transaction taxes piled pressure on buyers. Prices are now just 2.1% above the level seen a year ago, representing a fall in real terms. Japan will not sacrifice its agricultural sector as part of tariff talks with the United States, its top negotiator said on Tuesday, after President Trump complained that the key Asian ally was not buying American rice. Eurozone inflation expectations have cooled, with 12